The XIXUBX 6-bar espresso machine is a user-friendly device that simplifies coffee brewing and milk frothing with a single button operation. With a 6-bar pressure system and 800-watt heating, this machine brews rich, authentic espresso in just 2 minutes, making it ideal for those who appreciate speed and precision. This espresso machine's bimetal temperature control and steam water separation ensure consistent flavor, while the steam wand produces creamy milk foam for lattes and cappuccinos. Its compact design, complemented by a stainless steel cup warmer, fits perfectly in any kitchen or office, maintaining coffee temperature longer for a better drinking experience. Safety is prioritized with automatic pressure relief after brewing, which extends the machine's lifespan and ensures user protection by preventing sudden steam bursts. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the detachable drip tray and steam wand head, and safety features like a high-temperature fuse and automatic shutoff enhance its reliability.